Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market after we received the massive rally yesterday, the market has not slowed down. It was able to keep consolidating and actually have a little bit of an uptrend. If we look at Dogecoin, it has finally broken above the 16.5 and actually made it to the new high that we are all looking for. At the same time, the trading volume has exceeded nearly 2.2 billion. There are some catalysts coming. First of all, breaking out of the trend, and it's pretty much repeating what happened before. Investors show strong interest in Shiba Inu and Dogecoin meme coin volume remains resilient even if the market takes a return. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button right there, slap a like on the video. It will just help to then push the video to more people. More people see the positive side of Doge, decide to buy into it, it starts backing up, and all of us make a lot of profit. Right now, the market is pretty much turning the tides. Now, this is going to be the time where social impact is going to be the driving factor for the next king. Especially Bitcoin is making some moves, and let's just say when Bitcoin hits that 100k, you want Doge to follow shortly behind. First of all, I want to talk to you guys why hitting the 16.8 milestone is so important. You guys can see that since the 13th of April, which is about a month and a week away, so 1 month and a week away, since then you can see we haven't actually broken above this zone. The zone that we are sitting in right now is actually so crucial because this is a really important resistance that's been tested multiple times just in the past 1 month, and it was not able to break above that. Now, if we're just able to keep this momentum and just break free from this this deadly trap that we have created and break out of this consolidation, then the next new highs are going to be explosive. When I say explosive, trust me, the next momentum for Dogecoin will most likely push it to this bull market's all-time high, which was close to 22 cents. And I'm very certain a lot of you guys will be very happy to see that. At the same time, for only the second time in history, Dogecoin is about to receive a 2-month MACD cross to the upside. The last time this occurred, Doge traced at a fraction of a penny and began a massive bull run to 74 cents. If the same thing follows, well, where will we end off? Most of the people are predicting $1 will be the next stop, and you guys know if $1 is reached, a lot of people are going to be very happy and taking profit. Just to give you guys a little bit of perspective, I want to show you guys this wallet. So this wallet purchased about $56 million worth of Dogecoin on the 19th of May, which is about 4 days ago. The price had the rally, which you guys can see, pushed it all the way to 16.4 cents. They decided to sell and take a $4 million profit in less than 2 days. So this should give you perspective that there is a lot of whales which are clearly paying attention to Dogecoin, and this whale being one of them. I mean, you can clearly see all they simply did is put in some money, take some profit, walk away in less than 2 days. So that should give you perspective that there is a lot of interest from really big whales and even retail investors. Now, at this point, continue to option for the investors entering the crypto world. However, the recent price drop have affected not only the price but also their sentiments. Now, does Dogecoin and Shiba Inu need more buying power? And the answer is yes. Right now, a lot of people are believing that we are in the extreme greed, but that's for Shiba Inu. But if we talk about Dogecoin, it's doing very, very well. I mean, it can be seen by the trading volume. If we just go into the meme coins, you guys will realize that Dogecoin is actually the second most traded crypto. The first one is actually Pepe, but you can see that Doge is shortly following behind. Right now, it's really crucial to make sure that this momentum does not break and actually breaks to the new all-time high. Doge meme coin token volume remains resilient. When they say resilient, what they're trying to say is the trading volume that we are receiving is kind of absurd, because if you just see over here, you will notice that in the last 24 hours, it has had a peak of 180%. So there is more to come. You just need to be a little patient. Another thing is the open interest. The open interest has taken another 20% run up today, and that has pushed the open interest close to 850 million. billion. Now this is insanity. 850 million. Once we break above the 1 billion, it's going to be again into the zone, which is going to clearly keep pushing up the market as much as possible for Dogecoin. Talking about the liquidations, let's just say the sellers had not had a good day, sitting close to 6.9 million being liquidated. At the same time, another whale that I want to show you guys is you can see that from the past couple of days, all they have been doing is pretty much purchasing as much as possible. I mean, this is about $6,000 transaction per one. There are some little bit bigger ones, but you can see that since the 3rd of May, they have not done any sort of selling. Another whale that should give you perspective is just today they decided to sell about $14 million worth of Dogecoin. So that should give you perspective how confused the whales are as well. So you're not the only one that's fearing for what is yet to come. Just keep in mind, if you realize that you are falling behind, panic selling is not going to be your best decision. Simply take rest and decide later. Now, my Doge wallet, which is the official wallet for Dogecoin, decided to tweet this out today. Dogecoin wallet #1, and you can see they are pretty much edited, but it looks really cool. Now, Dogecoin founder wishes Ethereum to price be at 100k. For Ethereum to do that, that would actually push some really big numbers, because for Ethereum to hit that number, it's 120 million for $1, and for it to hit 100k, you guys know the market cap has to hit about 120 trillion, and that would be a little hard to do. That's all I'm going to say. But other than that, I do think that would be pretty insane. It wouldn't be 120 trillion, it would be more like double this, so that would be about 6,000, and then it would still be some insane number that would come to about 20 trillion. So that would be a little hard to do. At the same time, Dogecoin leads the resilient meme coin market despite the volatile market, and you can see that pretty much all the platforms which talk about crypto news are covering this. At the same time, promising future for Ethereum. Analysts predict the increased likelihood of ETF approval. I mean, it went from 25% chance of the ETF approval for Ethereum to all the way 75%. So it's most likely going to be happening. Also, Ripple versus SEC lawsuit update. SEC opposes Ripple motion to seal the deal. So again, the court case is going to be going on for a little bit longer. And 241 spot Bitcoin ETF inflow on Monday fueled the rally above 70k. $214 million were inflowing into Bitcoin on Monday. So that should give you perspective why we received such a strong rally. But is this going to be the time when a lot of whales would decide to take profit? That will be something for you to decide. At the same time, as I've mentioned, taking healthy profits is always good. But if you decide to panic sell, that's going to be affecting you in a negative way and no one else. That's all I'm going to say. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, simply subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon.